on top of an elf. Okay, what about a shelf? Can we do a shelf?
Yes.
Okay. And what's more suggestions?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin? I'll take a
I guess
pumpkin.
that first.
All right, one more suggestion. Who hasn't gone yet?
The ground. On the ground.
Let's do something a little bit more creative than the ground.
Skyscraper.
A skyscraper?
I was gonna say
Some
south or
Godzilla
north
action
American
going on.
rainforest.
Okay.
Legal South
So we have, boys and girls, some of the things that our monkeys could be on top of are a shelf, a rainbow, a present, a rock,
What?
a tree or a tree branch,
What?
top of our heads,
What?
excuse me, pumpkin or skyscraper. Do you have one more?
Yes.
What?
Can we put it
On top of what?
in Minecraft because
What's Minecraft? That a game?
Yes. No, let's just keep it.
it's always squares. We don't have a
Miss Dunn doesn't know what Minecraft is. So for that, I'm going to suggest
it's
no.
where we build.
Okay, so we'll go with that for skyscraper. So you can like you're building a skyscraper assignment. So I really want you guys to do so too. Okay? But in order to do that, every time Miss Dunn stops, when I stop drawing, that doesn't mean that you guys start talking, okay? Because again, every time I have to tell you guys, stop talking, it's gonna be less time that you guys get to color, okay? And we're doing watercolor pencils today. And they look really, really awesome, okay? So I don't want you guys to keep talking every time I start, okay? But what I want you guys to do is everyone turn your paper vertically. This way. Okay? Miss Dunn is going to draw on the board instead of on a piece of paper so that I'm able to draw it much bigger. So we're going to pretend that this is my piece of paper, okay? Boys and girls, I had some of my friends ask me yesterday when I started drawing, well, where do I put the nose or where do I put that? I want you guys to pretend this is your paper. So if I pretend that this is my middle line and this goes down the middle line, you guys should be able to kind of tell where on your own picture what you are drawing, okay? Don't do that one. Don't do these lines, okay? So, what I want you guys to first do, we're going to start with the nose,
Boys.
or the mouth area. So what I want everyone to do above the middle of your paper, to do an upside down triangle looking shape. Okay? A rounded upside down triangle shape. Did I color mine? So I think that answers your question, right?
Like this.
Perfect. Okay. And then what I want you guys to do is to make two curved lines coming up from the nose that don't connect. So two parallel lines coming up from the nose
So just
that
make that
don't
small.
connect. And remember, this is just our warm-up paper. We're just testing it all out. So no big deal.
And guys, remember she's gonna draw much bigger than yours, cause her paper is a lot bigger. So no. So you should draw.
Okay?
It's okay. This
Then-
is just the warm up.
What I want you guys to do is to do a big upside down U for the top of his head, from the both sides of his nose. Okay? All right. Next, I want you guys to make two curved shapes. Watch me first, boys. They need to be I'm gonna play around with the shapes of the body. But I realize this is a little bit of a difficult practice for some. So what I'm gonna do is right between my nose and my ear, I'm gonna make a big curved line. Okay? A big curved line, which is his back. Okay? So start right here, right by his nose, and come all the way down for his back.
He looks like
Kind of looks like a hunchback, right? Okay. Then I want you guys to make a curved
Helen.
line from the
Helen,
side of
stop.
his nose, the other side of his nose, all the way down, about the same level.
Kellen.
Okay? Then you're going to make your curved line, comes down, and then I want you to make your other line. Make your other line. Okay? Next, boys and girls, we're going to make our second line. So between these two lines, right to the right of the nose, you can make your another curved line and bring that down almost about the same length. Okay?
Well, then move to somewhere you can.
Okay, so right now I have one line, a middle line, and then a line to all the way to my right.
Why can you make
It
it
looks a little weird right now, huh? Okay, next what I want you guys to do is make a big S shape. It comes all the way down. Okay, so now I have 4 lines.
Where?
Okay, if you connected, we're just practicing. Okay. Next, what I want you guys to do, we're gonna make one more arm for our practice, and then I want you guys to start thinking about what you're gonna put your monkey on top of. So what I want you to do is to bring it down, a copycat line next to your first line, bring it down, okay? And then you guys can start making his fingers. How many fingers does a monkey have?
4.
4? Monkeys have thumbs just like us.
No, but pandas do too. Wait, do you
Pandas
have
are-
5 or 4?
Sorry, 5. I have 5 fingers. Okay? Then